Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we finally got the first ever StreetHunter C8 kit and we are going to install it today. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, and just like the video said, got the first ever StreetHunter C8 kit here in person. We're gonna go ahead and unwrap it, test fit it on the car, and see what it really looks like. Okay, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces with the optional wing and carbon fiber diffuser, and there's gonna be a couple other tidbits to go with it as well. So the piece that I'm most anxious to unwrap is gonna be this front fender, because while we helped develop, everything for the StreetHunter C8 kit, this was something that was gonna be done by the team of StreetHunter as far as the molds go. So this piece that I'm gonna show you right now, this is like truly the first ever, so we haven't even seen what it looks like. I don't even think TJ's seen what it looks like, so it's gonna be pretty cool. The goal is to get this thing all put together and get TJ's reaction when he gets here, man, because this is not even his own personal C8. He's gonna have this until he gets it back in town. But if I could open this thing, really wrap this thing together. Let me get a knife. Sheesh, look at that carbon fiber right on this little vent area. We initially painted this black, but the goal was to have it in carbon fiber. Finally, to see it all, done, this is the mold. I'm pretty excited to see what it's gonna look like. Look at the fitment on this, guys. I'm really proud of the StreetHunter team. They were very relentless in having this thing fit A1 right out of the box. Did all the body work. It fit great on the kit, but when things go to mold, stuff can change and stuff. So once we got that first, prototype back from the mold, we fit on the car and it fit good. I mean, a lot better than like 99% of the body kits out there, but the team at StreetHunter was like, nope, let's make it that much nicer. So we went ahead and put more time into the kit to get it to sit that much better. And I gotta tell you right now, just the first piece, just dropping it in there and having it sit like flush, like 100% just on that first little drop in, has to say a lot about the dedication that they put into this kit and bringing you the best products that money can buy. So I'm very excited to keep going with the rest of the kit.
Got my brother from another mother up here. There he is.
Hey, I'm here. Hello, SOS Custom.
What you got?
You looking good, my man?
Bruno Mars in the house.
Good. One and only. I'm here. Got a package to deliver.
Ooh, what you got? What you got? Spicy wheels?
325.
It's a lot.
Little.
This is a small one. This is a small meat gang.
Oh, this is what you need. That's gonna be your thing.
Oh my goodness.
Pull around, pull in.
I told him like he just got a dog. This is like a hoe dog. My dog. Yeah, but like all the hoes.
Hoe dog?
I don't know. Family man, but I'm just saying. I'm just saying all the hoes.
Are you a family man?
No, I'm a family man. But I'm just
Unless
saying,
you watch these videos.
I'm a family man.
He said family man.
Family man. I'm just saying, but all the hoes. Yeah, I got kids. That's my property, man. But this is like all the hoes. They seem to have these dogs.
You calling him a hoe?
Calvin look real good with this hoe dog. Let me see it.
Alright guys, I'm gonna attempt to put this rear wheel on. I don't even know how wide this freaking wheel is. Freaking TJ is always going with aggressive setups. This is a 325 wheel in the back. 325. Look how wide this thing is. Look how wide it is, man. Alright, let's get it going. Wow. This thing, what the dog doing? That was a cat. Did you guys see that? Freaking cat. Shop Cat, the infamous Shop Cat. We have not yet named the cat, and asshole, man. It likes to walk around here and it walks on top of the car. And I'm like, dude, like why would the cat like purposely walk on the car? Just like shitting on all the cars. But anyways, I digress. This C8 looks so amazing right now, guys. Wow. The kit is not even like painted or anything, and there's no body work, right? This is how it fits straight out of the box. I've seen cars that have been bodywork and painted and they don't fit this good. So this is straight out of the box. You can still perfect it. We're gonna show you guys what we're gonna do next to it. But right now, this is just literally straight out of the box. Look how everything lines up really nice. All the carbon fiber to the plastic front bumper, and it just, all the lines and the gaps and everything just looks so good. This is an area that I was, you know, wondering how it was gonna come out, because, you know, it's really hard to get, you know, fiberglass or FRP or carbon fiber or everything to contour in certain areas. The team here killed it. Look at the rear of the kit. All right, we're gonna show you around the whole kit and I'll show you how it looks. But dude, look at these gaps. Look at this. America, built in America, baby. Like, why would you want to throw any other kit on this car when this is manufactured, you know, from everything, from the design to the builders to the, you know, the guys behind, the masterminds behind this whole kit. Everybody's here in America. You gotta support your locals. You gotta support American-made products. Here, SOS Customs. Those are our shop colors, red, white, and blue. We really love America. And this is like, I just feel like there's a whole bunch of bald eagles that would just give this thing the nod and just like see it driving by and a tear would shed out of the bald eagle's face. There would literally be like a bald eagle crying when they see this and just be like, Merc, we made it, you know? Anyways, dude, it looks so dope. I just can't get over it, man. I really just can't. The carbon fiber accent there looks so good. There's gonna be a couple other StreetHunter, you know, accessories on the car that are gonna make it look even crazier. We still got a diffuser that's gonna be out of here on the carbon fiber. We still got a freaking dope ass wing that it's gonna get on this thing. It's gonna look so dope. Can't wait to show you guys. That's all we're gonna do to it for today. Literally freaking one of the craziest weeks. Gonna take you a quick walk through at the shop right now. There's literally so many cars, and especially this one. We're gonna talk about this one on the next episode, so you guys need to just, you know, watch. So many things going on right now. Dustin's GTR in here, and this is just a sneak peek. But dude, this thing needed a lot of work when it came in here, more than you would think, as far as like it's a GTR, but like the paint got a little bit of a special treatment. And we got a lot of other cars here. 300ZX, Datsun SR20 swap, a lot of cars here. Anyways,
the next day.
All right guys, so today we have the whole StreetHunter crew here. We are test fitting the wing and getting everyone's kind of like opinion of how everything fits. I think everything's fitting great, but we got all the masterminds here. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of soak it all in, see what it looks like. We got the diffuser on, got the wing going on right now. We're gonna take our first real gander. All right, Teach, a couple weeks, this thing's gonna see some paint.
How about 1 week?
Oof.
1 week, baby.
I don't know, man.
1 week. Fucking doable.
It is kind of doable, but it's kind of close, kind of cutting it.
Now, when you tell me 2 weeks, I'm like, okay, 4 weeks, sweet.
All right, let's make a bet. Let's make a bet.
Oh, you want? Remember the Lambo?
I don't remember.
Why the f you lying? I do.
I don't remember.
I remember.
And where's it at now?
It should be done. They were supposed to be done at the end of last month. So it'll be done soon.
Okay. We'll see you here soon. We'll see you here very soon for a little bit
I'm
of
just
love.
so sick of this not being done.
It's gonna be done.
I'm just like, fuck, man.
It's gonna be done. Do you even
Everyone who's watching is
have...
like, oh, they've been working on it for so long, but they don't know what it's like being behind the camera and being part of the process.
It's, hey, we're chasing...
You're the one who's been doing all the work.
It's chasing perfection here, man.
I know, and that was the biggest thing.
Obviously, you know, we got Street Fighter. They've been in the industry a little bit longer, but you, as far as like StreetHunter as a company, has been around how long?
Less than 2 years?
Less than 2 years? Yeah, less than 2 years.
SEMA this year will be the
Yeah.
2-year birthday.
2 years. And I mean, to make a kit that fits like this, that's no small task, right?
Yeah.
Carbon fiber everywhere.
It's hard. Well, I say that, and I have you guys to like
But
carry
it looks freaking great, man.
I think this kit is the best looking kit. And it looks this damn good, and it's like ugly right now. That's what you have to remember, is that it's ugly. When it's painted, lowered, like doesn't have test bolt hardware hanging out of the wing, like doesn't have the fake end plates, that's when you're gonna be like, damn. Yeah, that's, and missing the hubcaps or the wheel center cap.
And you're missing all this over here too.
Yeah, that's like, a big thing in the kit. This is the best looking kit we've done, and I guarantee you we'll sell. There'll be more wide body C8s, and we'll have wide body Supras. And we have a lot of wide bodies. We have a lot of wide body Supras. I think we'll have more than this. Is like it. This will be hard to top, I think. And especially if we add all the extra stuff we were talking about by SEMA.
I think it's doable.
I'm just excited for it to be done. So everyone can stop DMing me. Hey, when can I order a wide body kit for my C8?
Alright guys, Saul, first impression. First time really having this whole thing together and not on jack stands with some wheels. Like, what do you think?
I think the kit looks awesome. I mean, everything that we, the work that we put in to get everything perfect. Working with StreetHunter is like so awesome. The pieces came out really nice. Everything fits good. Such an aggressive look, but clean at the same time, which you have to do with this car. But I love it. I love the wing too.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Kind of took you through some of the quick installation of the official production StreetHunter C8 kit, and it's finally here, 001. This is it guys. Next up, body work and paint. Should be about a couple weeks, so check back here. Make sure you like and subscribe to see it all complete, finally ready for the road. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.
Hold on, I need to channel my inner thumbnail. Hold on. Okay, you ready?
Alright, I think we're good.
I can't hold that for that long.